The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina until 4 p.m. At 3:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 9 miles southwest of Bethany, or about 6 miles east of Bellews Creek, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The locations impacted include Bethany, Monroe, Greenville. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or a piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside of substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat on the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please relay weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for north-central North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina until 4 p.m.